Okay. You are going to read those 10 sentences on your own. I will just listen. Can you?
Yes.
Okay. Ready? Go.
The kid has a big pit. It is dim in the pit. Dims big bin is big. He wins he wins in the race.
5.
Jill wins a pin.
6.
The tip of the hill is far.
Okay. 7.
Kid
My S.
Kids lips are red.
Ulitin mo nga to.
Kids lips are red.
Okay. Number 8.
His pin is big.
9.
The big pin is mine.
Very good. 10.
He has a big lips.
Okay. Galing-galing. Milk tea na.
Pakiramdam ko